Within Business Central, you can purchase a fixed asset via the purchase invoices. So to do that, I'm going to go to Purchasing and then Purchase Invoice. I'm going to go ahead and create a new invoice here. I'm going to select my vendor, type in a vendor invoice number. Now, the trick when you are creating a fixed asset is this type. So it defaults to item. A lot of times we see GL account, but when you're purchasing a fixed asset, we want to choose fixed asset. Now we can either select an existing asset or we can create a new one. In this case, I'm going to create a new one. Let's say we're purchasing a delivery truck. A delivery truck. And we're going to fill in some of the data here. So we're going to say that it's a tangible asset. You also, out of the box, have intangible and financial. We're going to select a subclass code. In this case, we're purchasing a vehicle, so we are going to say vehicle here. If you have multiple warehouses, you can notate where the fixed asset is located. You can also enter things like a serial number, responsible employee, etc. For now, we're just going to leave those options open. Now, when I'm creating a depreciation method, there's several methods that we can choose from. There's straight line, declining. You can either even define it yourself, but for now, we're going to just stick with straight line. And we're going to start with a date. So right now, I'll just say 4/1, and then you can tell it the number of years. Notice the depreciation ending date is blank, but once I select the number of years and I tab off of the field, it automatically creates 5 years from my starting date. You can even add information about the general maintenance. So if you have a vendor that maintains the vehicle, or you can say information about the warranty date or when it's due for next service, or you can even add insurance information. But for now, I'm just going to leave this blank. I'm going to go ahead and select OK. And then I'm going to come in here. We're going to just purchase one of them, and that's going to be $30,000. I'm going to turn off my tax liability, and I'm just going to go ahead and post this. Okay, so I don't want to view the invoice, but I am going to go view the asset. So if I go to Finance and go to Fixed Assets, now we can see the delivery truck is a tangible asset here, and it has a subclass of vehicles. If I open that, it's going to see the screen just like we made earlier with the straight line depreciation, and it has the book value here of $30,000 because that's what we acquired the vehicle for. It also has acquired tab. You can see right here that the system knows that we did in fact acquire the asset.